Hello and welcome to Opus. I'm Tyler Hilliard and this is my full stack application created for NSS in about a week and a half. It's created using ASP.NET, React, Reactstrap, Cloudinary, and many others. So Opus is basically an art sharing site in the vein of Instagram and ArtStation. It's been a mix of the two. It's the main purpose is to give the artists the ability to show off their work, get the admiration they deserve, get a bit of inspiration, and search for new artists and art to follow in the easiest way possible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in. And in this scenario, we're logging into a user that has no follows, no favorites. So when you get to the main page, because you have no follows, it's just going to recommend the latest 10 posts, so the newest 10 that you can go through here in a little carousel. And then right here, you get a little message and an explore button. Explore button takes you to the main page of the app, which is a dynamic search, which you can search by art type, category, and the different types of sorting mechanisms up here at the top. So trending, which is basically based on the likes. So whatever has the most likes is going to be first. Latest, which is on by post date. So basically the most recent is going to be first. And not shown here is following and favorites. So following is when you follow someone, it will show all of their art that they've posted, and then you can search through it as usual. And then favorites is specific posts that you've favorited that will show and populate in there. So say I want to see 2D works of art, and then I also want to see illustration. So these are 2D illustrations in order of trending, which it's by default by trending. If I want to go to latest, it will show them based on latest. The most recent art is first. Say I want to go and look at character design. All of it here is latest by character design and also 2D. If I want to say 3D, here's 3D character design. So if I go back to the main page and I go to this page here, it'll be the post details page. So this is shown here as the larger version of the image that you've seen. A bit about the artist. And since this is my page, I get to edit it. So say I want to get rid of these extra exclamation points here. They're gone. And then I can delete it if I want to, and in this scenario, no reason to do so. So here in the comments, they're giving me compliments. So I'm going to say thank you. Post comment. Here it is. Shows the user who posted it, the comment, and when it was posted. And say I want to edit it. So I want to say I don't want this Y to be capitalized. Save the edit. There we go. And you can also delete it if you want to. There it's gone. So then if I go to the main page again and say I want to follow somebody. So if I go to this user and I follow them, go back to the explore page, now following's there. So following, again, shows all the ones that they've posted. So if I want to show 2D, if I want to show 3D, you can sort as usual. Say I want to go back to the main page and say I want to favorite something. Since this is somebody's post that is not mine, it'll show a bit about them, a little bit about the post, and then it'll give the ability to favorite and follow them, and no edit. So if I want to favorite this person, go back to the explore page. Now favorites is there. So everything you favorited will be shown here. You can sort and do everything as usual. So then say you want to go to the profile page. Once you're on the profile page, it'll show everything you've posted, a little bit about yourself and what your focus is, and then say, okay, you want to do an edit. I want to add lots of D's to my name. I want to add lots of N's to the display name. Save. And there we go. And this is also where you add posts. So say you want to go in here and I want to just call it illustration and wow for sake of time. Then here is the Cloudinary widget. So basically what I'm doing is I set my stuff up through Cloudinary, and Cloudinary does image compression for me so that my load times are quick and easy. And then, so basically I can go here, add a post, and then it does the image compression and sends it to my Cloudinary account and gives me back the URL. Let's say illustration, 2D, save it. There it is. There you go. Go to that page, and here we are. It's a new details page for the post we just made. If we go back to the main homepage now, since we followed somebody, it will now, instead of giving us 10 posts, it will give us 5 random posts based upon who we followed. So if I follow someone and they follow other people, it will give random posts posted by those other people to help give you artists that you might like and give you posts that you might like to help broaden your horizon. But yeah, so basically, if we go back, this is the app, and I'm going to log out. And I want to thank everybody for following me. And this has been an amazing experience. I've loved NSS, and I really am proud of this app. And thank you so much for watching.